Hey guys, welcome to the last day of treat week. We have been having healthy treats all week long and I'm super excited for this last one. We are making healthy Nanaimo bars, which are basically like a cookie bottom with a custardy mint filling and then chocolate on top. And it's kind of Canadian, I think, too, because it's from Nanaimo, BC. If you haven't seen all the other videos from Treat Week, I will leave all of them down below. We make peppermint bark, gingerbread pancakes, cinnamon buns, lots of fun stuff. And I also uploaded a video on Sunday with a healthy holiday breakfast. So much deliciousness coming your way too. Next week, I'm doing some healthy holiday cookies. You don't want to miss that. Of course, there is a giveaway going on all of this week and you can enter all the way up until the 24th. So all you have to do is subscribe and leave me a comment down below answering the question of the day that I will mention at the end of this video, and comment as many times with answering the question in each video of Treat Week. I will leave all the details of the prizing down below too. Alright guys, let's go ahead and make some Nanaimo bars. To make the base of our Nanaimo bars, I'm starting off with some coconut oil. You're going to want to melt it because that way when we add everything else and we chill it, it's going to get nice and solid. I'm adding in some cashews as well as some cacao. And it was great to use cacao in this recipe because we're not baking it. So all the great antioxidants and vitamins and minerals that are in cacao you get because we're not killing it off with heat. So blend that together and then take a square or rectangular pan and just smooth out the chocolate layer until it's nice and even. Now you can definitely do a rectangular or a square pan for this. You do want to grease it, so I sprayed mine with coconut oil beforehand because I didn't want any of the bars to stick. So spread it out in a nice even layer. And then we're going to make our filling. So I'm using some cashews as well as some coconut oil, and this makes it really nice and creamy and also helps it to blend really well. I'm adding in peppermint, which is classic for Nanaimo bars, as well as some almond milk, which is going to give it that nice thick texture for our filling center. And you can definitely use cashew milk or any other plant-based milk that you want to use in terms of the filling. I'm adding in some coconut butter, which is different from coconut oil and it's a bit richer. If you don't find coconut butter where you are, you can definitely just blend shredded coconut until it's nice and smooth. Once the filling is blended up, go ahead and add it on top of your chocolate layer and smooth that out as well until it is nice and even in your whole shape. Now this bar made about 12 different bars for me, so you can definitely half or even double this recipe if you want to. I'm going to set that into the fridge while we make the chocolate layer. So for the chocolate, I'm doing my classic Paleo Chocolate, starting off with some cacao. Again, so many antioxidants in it. And then I'm going to be adding in coconut oil. You guys have seen me make this Paleo Chocolate many times, and it's such a great, easy way to make chocolate at home with clean ingredients, no gums, no soy, no emulsifiers, nothing. Then I'm adding in a touch of maple syrup just for a little bit of sweetness and stirring that again until it's smooth. I'm going to be pouring that on top of our chilled mixture, and this will set quite quickly, so you do want to spread it out as quickly as you can because our bars are already been chilling. This will chill quickly. So spread the chocolate into an even layer, and then you're going to set it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And once it's done, you can go ahead and slice it into as big shapes of your Nanaimo bars that you'd like. And this was such an easy, quick, no-bake dessert. It's such a crowd pleaser. You've got the peppermint, cookie layer, and chocolate layer. It's definitely perfect for the holidays and a perfect healthy treat. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I really hope you guys have been liking Treat Week. If you want me to do more of these like weeks where I do a bunch of videos kind of with the same theme, let me know down below as well. Today's question is going to be, what is your favorite Christmas movie? Guys, I've been watching all the Christmas movies lately. I actually have a new favorite, and if you have Netflix, watch Christmas Chronicles. I mean, it was kind of shot in Toronto, so I'm a little bit biased, but it's really good. But my all-time like favorite classic is, I really like National Lampoons, but I really like The Grinch, and I also really like Elf. So it's really hard to pick one. So if you guys can't pick one, then just tell me some of your favorites, because I want to make sure that by the time Christmas comes, I've seen all of the Christmas movies that there are to watch. I hope you guys are all having a great day and that you guys have a great weekend. I'm going away for my birthday this weekend, which is super exciting. I am going to vlog a bit because you guys said you wanted to see that. If you guys are wondering, I do polls on the community tab as well, so you can go ahead and vote for things there. So I'm going to take you with me because I'm uploaded 6 days in a row. Need a little break. I'm gonna go away for the weekend, so it's gonna be super fun, and it's actually to a chillier destination, which is cool. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.